Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Don't underestimate this little Falcon right here. It's not our most expensive car, but it is one of my favorites. Got a Performance 302 with a 5-speed in there. I drove this thing. It was a blast. It's a 1963 Falcon Futura. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study 100 pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars, and they're all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. You're going to love it. Car always lived in California, Arizona. It has 66,000 actual miles. It's branded on the title as actual. It has no, no rust. Go on our website, look underneath the car, look at all the factory pinch welds, and it's just super clean. All the factory seams, the floors, the inner rockers, beautiful clean metal. Front end's all rebuilt. They did upgrade it to disc brakes in front. It's got a Tremec 5-speed with a hydraulic clutch. Really nice exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. The tailpipes are all tucked up and the tips just turned down, so it's all tucked up under the car, not hanging down low. Just super, super clean underneath. I think it has air shocks in the back too. Like I said, all the specs and pictures are on our website. I got it from a pretty substantial and very well-respected Ford collection. A gentleman owns Ford dealerships and he collects Fords. I think one of the pictures on our site, you'll see it sitting there, and look in the background, there's a whole bunch of Fords around it. That's one of the pictures that I got from him. The paint is beautiful. It's a Glacier blue color. I don't know if they tweaked it somehow, but it's really sharp. It's got a little bit of a, not golden, but silver to blue as the light hits it different ways. And the body's outstanding. I told you how clean the floors are. The body's just as clean. It has all them really nice gaps. I've been really going after the cars that have excellent fit and finish. Look how square and flush everything fits. Laser beam straight. You look across the hood, you look down either side, it's straight. Look how it fits. It's smooth. There's not a bubble down here. All this slick too, really slick. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It's not cloudy or blotchy. And then the clear coat they put on here is polished out like glass. It just looks wet. And then what really sets it off is they did all the trim. The side moldings, I don't know if they're new or restored, but they look new. The emblems are new. Tail lights, all this trim, the bumper. This is really cool too. This is a nice little piece. It's new, but all this trim is redone. Look how the trunk fits. The stainless is polished. This side's just as nice. The door handles, the mirror, the vent window pillars, all this stainless around the windshield that's been straightened and polished. It's beautiful. It has a new windshield, new gasket. Door jambs are painted nice. It has new weather strips, new sill plates. These are 50th anniversary American Racing wheels. They're 15-inch polished aluminum. The tires, they're Cooper tires. They look like they're new. Up here, these are new. This chrome's been redone. The emblems, the grille looks like it's been restored. The bumper's new. So the body and paint, it's a good-looking body style. It's a nice, handsome body, and they refinished this one really well. Look at the paint. But sitting there is a 302 performance motor, aluminum heads, polished aluminum high-rise intake, Edelbrock carb, MSD. No, it's a Pro Comp ignition system, aluminum alternator and pulleys, a chrome fuel pump. Nice set of matching valve covers, an air cleaner. It's got headers, aluminum radiator with an overflow bottle. The engine bay is super clean metal, painted black. It has some nice custom support bars. It's got a spunky little motor. When I drove this car home, that 5-speed shifter is just perfect. Your arm's on the console, and it's one of those that just click, click, click. And I had fun shifting, downshifting. And when I got out on the highway, you put it over in 5th gear, and this one really, the RPMs really drop down. You could cruise cross country in this car once you click it into 5th. 1st through 4th, you'll have a blast with, though. It shifted so nice, steered nice, stopped nice, sounded great. The interior, they went the extra too. This is not just nice, it's exceptional. The cushions are firm. They're all new cushions, so the upholstery fits tight as a glove. It has seat belts front and back, new carpet, new dash pad. All the metal inside the car, come around where you can see me. All the metal inside the car is all painted as nice as the outside. Obviously has the bucket seats with the factory center console. The stereo that's in there is actually, it looks like the original radio, which it is the original radio, but it has modern guts in it. So I was playing the stereo. The dash, I drove it at night. The dash actually lights up a light blue, which matches the car. All the chrome inside is new or redone. All the trim on the dash is sparkling. The handles and cranks are new. It just sparkles inside and out. The mirror looks new. Of course, the convertible top, it is a power top. It works fine. It's a white top. It's crisp. It's brand new. The rubber's new. This one I fired up. Oh, I never opened the trunk. You turn it to the left, which is odd. You turn it the opposite way and it opens right up. All clean, rust-free metal in here. It's got a new rubber mat. They did relocate the battery to the trunk. Again, it's all painted slick, new weather strip. I've been trying to raise the bar and get the best of the best. This is another exceptional car, not just a really good one or you just need to do this and that to it. This thing is slick. And I had probably one of the funnest cars I've driven in a long time. And I've been driving some really nice cars. Got kick panel speakers. The seats, you feel like you're in a new car. They're nice and firm. It is a little cold-blooded. But this shifter is just perfect. It's just like click, click, click. And this has a retro stereo. I was thinking of a different car that had the original radio. This is a new retro digital stereo with speakers. It has a nice gauge cluster down below the dash. Bet you didn't expect to hear that out of this little Falcon. This is a bad car. The quality is high. Telling you what, I'm smiling. I just want to go drive this some more. This is a hot little ticket. This car's got me excited. Just hearing how it idles, hearing how snappy it is. I drove it. I had my daughter in the car. She wasn't even expecting that. She got in this little old Falcon. I don't think she thought much of it. When I got on it, she said, I did not expect that. So go to volocars.com. You're going to get yourself a really special car right here. Plenty of ways on there to contact our salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. But if you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They will help you. They'll also help with the financing, delivery, paperwork. Visit volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.